So you won't shave your armpits. You'd be like, it's okay, I don't have to shave my armpits. I'll just wear this shirt and just be like this the entire time. I won't raise my arms up. I don't need to shave my armpits. Nah, not me. Lies. The lies you tell yourself. The lies you tell yourself. Hey y'all, it's your girl Soulful Abby, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Today's video is my summer 2021 resolutions. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so for this summer, and New Year's resolutions can sometimes be difficult because it's for 12 months. But for this summer, I'm having some summer resolutions, and these are going to be beauty related, travel related, self-improvement related, and I think giving it a time frame of like 1 quarter or like 3 months would actively make me pursue them a little bit more intensely. So that's it. So the first goal I have on my list is to stay summertime fine. I don't know about you, but for all the individuals out there who like to have their legs shaved, their armpits shaved, or their toes and nails done, you know, as part of their grooming routines, and then it's time to put on like a summertime tank top, but your armpits all hairy. You're like, oh, I guess I'll just wear a long sleeve. Like, we're not wearing long sleeves this summer. We're going to stay groomed up. There's been so many times I'm like, oh, I want to wear that. I'm like, ooh, yeah. I didn't shave my armpits. Ooh, my bad. So I pick a different outfit. And I don't want my summertime grooming to impact my fashions and my flyness. So don't let your grooming impact your flyness. If you don't mind hair and stuff, do you. But as for me, and my legs and my armpits, I like them to be, you know, a little bit more shaved up. Also, toes, I don't want to have to be wearing sneakers all year, so I'm going to invest in getting my toes done more regularly or painting them on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. So the first one is staying summertime fine. The second one is letting the good times roll. I want to get a pair of rollerblades or roller skates and do a little roller skating. I used to do it when I was in elementary school, and I kind of miss it. And I see people doing it, and it feels like it would be really cathartic to end a day with like 30 minutes, like 45 minutes rollerblading while listening to music. I think that would be super fun. Yeah. So the third one is to experiment with storytelling and vlogs. This summer I will be releasing my first vlog. I have a couple that are brewing in the pipeline. That's why my uploads have been slightly sporadic, because I spent time filming those vlogs, and I hope to produce them and release them this summer. My YouTube channel is something I'm taking seriously and I want to grow, and I really have numbers that I want to achieve on this platform. And it's not just numbers, but I also want to tell stories and want to communicate things in a different, unique way, and you know, express my point of view in storytelling, and bringing people joy, making people think, making people elicit some sort of emotion. So that's something I have on my list. The next one I have is more color. Color with shadows, color with clothing. I like color, and I think summer is a great time to wear color. I hope to do a couple get readies with me on this channel, showing myself in different colors. So more colors all around in life, etc. The next one is to make sustainable fashion content. As you've seen, the hauls have kind of slowed down on my channel. I'm trying to be conscious about hauls, but when I haul stuff, I typically wear it. If I'm not wearing it on screen, because you guys might not see that, I am wearing it in my real life. Granted, this past year, I've been pretty kind of bummy with my fashions, but I'm trying to elevate, you know, bring back, you know, Stella, you know, where you been? where you been hiding? And so, like, get my groove back with things. But I want to make sustainable fashion content where I might like do a haul or do mini hauls, but then do other fashion content that shows me styling those pieces. And it's not like an in and out of like fashion, because I have mixed thoughts on fast fashion and our expectations surrounding fast fashion. So the next one I have is setting goals on Instagram. Now, I am someone who's for some reason so shy about posting on Instagram, but I have goals to post at least 5 times per month and then increase that cadence in the next month. So June is 5, July is 7, and then August maybe, I don't know, 10, we'll see. And then also doing one Instagram IG reel per month. We'll see how that goes, but I'm really setting these goals and I'm trying to achieve them. Yeah. The next one I have, and this one's kind of like bittersweet, but I really want to lose weight. Sometimes I feel like content on YouTube can be a little too, there's something about like women talking about weight loss that it feels so overdone, and it feels like my entire life I've seen content about women trying to lose weight, women talking about their weight, women talking about their bodies in negative ways. So I've tried to keep that content off of YouTube. Now I have gained a few quarantine cutie pounds and I am trying to shed that weight. I'm still not going back to gyms because I'm waiting to see. I feel like it might be safer in the fall for me and my standards. So I'm taking working out with videos and outdoors more seriously. I always had like a lot of discipline when it comes to working out. I was really committed and really consistent working out. That's like helps me clear my mind. It helps me keep my energy levels well. But something about like food discipline is where I kind of struggle with a little bit more. But you could never tell before because I had such a healthy workout schedule and regimen. But now it's like they caught up with me. And when you're in high school and stuff, you have to pass all your classes in order to graduate. And I'm recognizing that I have a little bit of a discipline area of improvement when it comes to food. So that's something I'm looking to rectify. But I don't want my content to be too self-deprecating when it comes to my body. There's this quote by Rihanna, and it's something along the lines of dressing sexy at whatever weight she's in. So I'm going to stay and remain the sexiest version of myself at whatever weight I am in. But I am setting this as a goal and as an intention to lose weight for this summer. And then my final goal for this summer resolutions is to do something audacious. I don't want to live my life in fear, and I want to be bold and be strong and do something crazy. Email someone about an opportunity, go somewhere, do something that that brings me a lot of joy and that scares me. I don't want to run from fear. I want to run towards it in a calculated manner. So that is it. This is kind of a mini tag. I would love for you in the comments, my subscribers, send this out. What are some of your summer resolutions when it comes to beauty, self-improvement, fashion, lifestyle, anything? Please let me know down below. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and tag me when you make the video, or if you don't want to make a video, comment down below. What are your goals and resolutions for this summer? Let's have a great summer 2021. Later, y'all.